We are covering these 6 top big cap stocks with large percentage moves today. While watching bullish price actions, let us inform you our review on QUBT. Quantum Computing Incorporated is a company that's pushing the boundaries of quantum technology. They're focused on creating real-world, industrial solutions using quantum optics and nanophotonics, offering a game-changing approach to industries like AI, cybersecurity, and sensing. Their tech operates at room temperature, uses minimal power, and doesn't have the environmental requirements typically associated with quantum systems. Their core products like the Dirac series and the Reservoir photonic computer show a lot of promise in optimization problems, AI, and even cybersecurity. Now, let's talk about the momentum building for quantum stocks, especially in the run-up to the AI conference. It looks like investors are beginning to take quantum technology more seriously, with a bit of a rally in the sector. Quantum Computing Incorporated is benefiting from this increased attention. With quantum tech moving from theoretical to practical, it's all about having scalable, functional solutions that can impact industries in real time. Investors are seeing the potential of this, especially as the company's tech starts to intersect with the booming AI space. What's particularly interesting is that as AI continues to advance, the need for better computational power, especially in optimization and problem solving, is going to skyrocket. This could put Quantum Computing Incorporated right at the heart of an emerging tech ecosystem. The company's focus on AI, cybersecurity, and sensing solutions positions them well as these industries grow and look for more efficient, secure, and scalable solutions. As momentum picks up, we could see even more investors jumping into quantum stocks. But for Quantum Computing Incorporated, it's not just about the hype. Their products are designed to tackle real-world problems today, not in some distant future. This gives them a solid foundation to build from, and it could mean steady growth for their stock, especially as more businesses and sectors begin to explore quantum's practical uses. So, it's definitely a space worth keeping an eye on. Our review on RGTI, Rigetti Computing Incorporated, is all about bringing quantum computing to the cloud. They've built a full-stack platform offering quantum computing as a service through Rigetti Quantum Cloud Services. This lets global clients in enterprise, government, and research tap into quantum power without needing to manage the hardware themselves. Their infrastructure seamlessly integrates quantum computing with classical systems, which is huge because it makes quantum tech more practical and accessible right now. Rigetti also has its own in-house developed quantum processing units, QPUs, which use superconducting qubits, and they're manufactured at their facility, Fab 1. As we get closer to the AI conference, there's been a noticeable uptick in quantum stocks, and Rigetti is no exception. Investors are starting to really recognize the potential of quantum computing, especially as it starts to tie in with the AI boom. Quantum computing is a natural fit for AI, with a need for processing power, and optimization continues to grow at an insane pace. Companies like Rigetti, with their quantum computing as a service QCAS platform, are in a unique position because they're offering scalable, practical solutions that can plug into existing cloud infrastructure, making it much easier for businesses to adopt quantum computing without starting from scratch. What's exciting for investors is that Rigetti is already working on some real-world applications of quantum computing, not just theoretical ones. Their multi-chip quantum processor is built for scalability, and as the need for better computational power grows, especially in fields like AI, Rigetti could see a significant boost. With quantum becoming an essential part of future tech, Having the infrastructure already in place to provide quantum computing as a service puts Rigetti at the forefront of this movement. As more companies and industries begin to explore quantum's potential, Rigetti stock could stand to benefit. They're not just riding the wave of quantum hype, they're building solutions that could be adopted at scale right now. The AI conference will likely highlight more use cases for quantum computing in AI and beyond. And if Rigetti can continue to capture attention and deliver on its vision, investors could see substantial returns in the future. It's definitely one to watch as quantum computing starts to go mainstream. Our review on RBRK. Rubrik Incorporated is making waves in data security with its innovative platform, Rubrik Security Cloud RSC, which uses machine learning to protect organizations from cyberattacks, insider threats, and disruptions. They're also improving data security with AI-driven tools like Rubrik, helping businesses scale their efforts with automation. Their recent fourth quarter results were strong, with revenue up 47% year-over-year to $258 million and a 39% growth in subscription ARR to $1.09 billion. This is thanks to rising demand for their cyber resilience solutions, such as backup, ransomware protection, and data recovery. Analysts have raised their price targets, seeing major growth potential for Rubrik in the expanding cyber resilience market. Looking ahead, Rubrik expects 30% revenue growth and 24% subscription ARR growth next year, which boosts investor confidence. With their strong product offering and a growing customer base, Rubrik is well positioned to capitalize on the increasing need for data security in the cloud era. Given their solid performance and growth outlook, Rubrik is an appealing investment for those eyeing the growing data security market. Their leadership in cyber resilience puts them in a strong position for continued success. Our review on BTMD. Biote Corporation works in hormone optimization, helping doctors set up and run practices that focus on hormone replacement therapy, HRT. They provide a platform called the Biote Method, which gives practitioners the tools they need for training, managing their practice, and marketing, along with a line of supplements to support their services. For Q4 2024, Biote posted earnings of 10 cents per share, in line with expectations but down from 18 cents last year. Their revenue came in at $49.83 million, missing estimates by about 2.75%, though it was still a 9% increase compared to last year. Looking ahead to 2025, Biote expects revenue between $202 million and $208 million, lower than what analysts were hoping for. They're projecting modest growth in procedure revenue and dietary supplements. The first quarter should see some growth compared to last year, but they expect a slight dip in adjusted EBITDA due to higher marketing costs aimed at bringing in new customers. While their Q4 results missed on revenue, Biote's 2025 plans to expand their network of practitioners and ramp up sales could help drive future growth. And that's something investors will be keeping an eye on. Our review on KINS. Kingstone Companies Incorporated is a regional insurance player primarily operating through its subsidiary, Kingstone Insurance Company, KICO, writing personal and commercial auto insurance, among other products. They serve areas like New York, New Jersey, and several other northeastern states, offering a variety of policies including homeowners, renters, and even canine legal liability. Recently, Kingstone revised its 2025 net income guidance upward, now expecting diluted net income per share between $1.75 and $2.15, compared to their previous range of $1.45 to $1.85. This change is based on anticipated net premiums earned of around $184 million. The company's core business is expected to see direct premium growth between 15% and 25%, and their combined ratio, a key measure of underwriting profitability, is projected to improve slightly, falling between 81% and 85%, an improvement from the earlier forecast of 82% to 86%. Their strong Q4 results also contributed to the positive outlook, with their combined ratio improving by 11 points to 78.5%. This is a sign that they are managing their risk and expenses more effectively, which is a good sign for investors looking for strong operational performance. In short, Kingstone is showing healthy growth, improving its profitability, and seems on track for a solid 2025, making it an interesting stock for those watching the insurance sector. Our review on LAES. Sealsq Corp, a Switzerland-based holding company, is carving out a niche for itself in the semiconductor industry. Specializing in tamper-resistant chips, processors, and post-quantum technologies, Sealsq is tackling some of the biggest challenges in industries like consumer electronics, aerospace, telecommunications, and even medical sectors. Their focus on secure hardware, firmware, and microcontrollers positions them as an emerging leader in the quantum security and AI-driven semiconductor markets. Recently, Sealsq stock surged, and the catalyst for this uptick is the company's Seal Quantum investment strategy, which they launched last month. With a $20 million commitment, Sealsq is investing in startups specializing in quantum computing, Quantum as a Service (QaaS), and AI-enhanced semiconductor tech. This initiative reflects Sealsq's ambition to fast-track its development in quantum computing and security by backing innovative solutions and entrepreneurs in the space. So far, the company has made 2 investments, including one in QUBT, a company focused on QaaS, and it plans to announce 2 more by mid-2025. This investment strategy is not only a significant financial commitment, but also a strategic move to integrate quantum computing into practical, real-world applications. Beyond this, Sealsq is in exclusive talks to acquire ICLPS SAS, a French ASIC design company, which could further bolster their semiconductor expertise. On top of these exciting developments, Sealsq is seeing a positive shift in market sentiment. The company's short interest has decreased by over 32%, signaling that fewer traders are betting against the stock. This could be an early sign that investors are starting to become more optimistic about Sealsq's prospects, particularly as the company positions itself to be a key player in the rapidly evolving quantum and cybersecurity sectors. With all these moves, Sealsq is setting itself up for strong growth in the coming years. Its aggressive investment strategy, combined with its innovations in quantum security and AI-driven chip technologies, makes Sealsq a company to watch closely. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks!